In this lesson, we're going to use the properties of multiplication to help us calculate a whole bunch of numbers. So if we have a problem like this that says find the missing number by using properties of math, and these are all multiplications, so we're going to use properties of multiplication. So we have 2 times 10 times 5 equals 5 times a mystery number times 2. So step 1 is that you need to understand that the commutative property of multiplication says that you can multiply numbers in any order and you will get the same product. So we could see that here's a 5, here's a 5, and then here's a 2, and here's a 2. So 10 would probably be here. So what this is saying is that you could multiply the numbers in any order and the answer would be the same. So the missing number must be 10. So it's just multiplying these numbers in a different order. So let's take this one step further. The associative property of multiplication says that you can group the factors with parentheses and get the same product. So you could use this rule to multiply the numbers that are easier to multiply first. So let's see how that looks. So we could take the original, 2 times 10 times 5, and we could multiply 5 times 2 first because it's really easy to multiply 5 times 2. We know it's 10, right? So 5 times 2 is 10. So then we can just multiply it with this 10. And then that'll give us the answer. And the answer is 100. So these are good properties to know when you're doing problems, any kind of problems, even if you're doing mental math. These are good things to know. So don't worry if you don't get this right away. You could just rewatch the video. There's nothing wrong with repetition. As well, check out the description. I have links to other videos of mine that are like this. As well, you could download the ebook and follow along this exact lesson in the ebook. Make sure to subscribe and like, and thank you so much for listening.